Hello, everyone, and welcome back. This is NikkaNadia. We are going to be doing a short beginner yoga flow together today. Let's begin lying down on our back. Bringing your hands to your belly and lying with your knees bent. Closing your eyes or looking up at the sky. Let's begin to take longer, deeper breaths through the nose. Allowing your breath to expand into your hands and expand into your belly with each inhale, and then fall and soften on each exhale. Allowing yourself to observe the sound of the breath, the texture of the breath, the feeling of the breath inside of your body today. Relax your shoulders, relax your hips, and relax the weight of the head into the floor. Relax your jaw and continue to let this breath get deeper and longer. Let's take our arms down to our sides, palms facing down. And on your next inhale, float your right hand up and over, reaching through your fingertips. On your exhale, let your right hand float back down to your side, palm facing down. Other side slowly. Inhale, left arm floats over your head, reaching through your fingers, opening your shoulder. And exhale, left hand floats down to the hip again. Other side. Inhale, right arm floats up, nice and slow, no rush. And exhale, right hand slowly floats back down. Other side, inhale, left arm reaches and extends overhead. Exhale, left hand softly releases down by your hip. Once again, inhale, right arm reaches up. And exhale slowly, right hand floats back down by your hip. Left arm, inhale, slowly reaching up. And exhale, slowly descending down. Good job. Let's find our feet a small hip distance. Spread your toes and make sure your feet are parallel. Inhale. And on your exhale, press through your feet. Start to hollow out your lower belly, sucking in your lower belly and starting to lift your lower back from the floor, your hips, your mid back, and then lifting as high as you can to your upper back. Then slowly lowering one vertebra at a time back down to the mat. Nice and slowly. Good. Let's do this again. Inhale, relax at the bottom. And on your exhale, tucking that tailbone, press through the feet and like one vertebra at a time, lifting the spine away from the earth, pressing through the heels and squeezing your glutes at the top. Inhale, lift here. And then exhale, think about the inner thighs squeezing, not rolling open, and the spine lengthening as you lower one vertebra at a time all the way down to the mat. Good job. Inhale, And exhale, tuck your hips, slowly rolling up the spine, pressing through the heels, lifting here, feeling the front of the body get nice and open, and then slowly rolling down, one vertebra at a time, going more slowly through the parts that want to go in one piece. Inhale, and then exhale, rolling all the way up, nice and slowly, pressing through those heels, feeling the front of the body opening here. Squeeze your glutes, holding. Inhale, lifting a little higher if you can. And then exhale, descending down nice and slow and controlled. No rush. Well done. Then let's lift our legs and give them a nice squeeze, hugging the legs into the body and rocking side to side. Roll both knees over to the right, and then turn your gaze over the left, taking a nice twist here for your spine. Other side, roll both knees over to the left and look over the right. Gently roll both knees back to center. Roll your whole body over to the side and gently press yourself up to seated. And let's make our way to our hands and knees. So coming to tabletop position on hands and knees, spread the fingers wide. Taking a few cat-cows to warm the spine. Inhale, open up your heart. Exhale, round your spine and look to your navel. Inhale, open up your heart. Exhale, round your spine. Think about the lower back really tucking and rounding here. On your inhale, focus on the upper back, the heart melting forward and reaching open. Exhale, round. One more time, inhale. And exhale. Come back to your neutral spine. And let's rest back to child's pose. Take a big breath here. Inhale up to your hands and knees. Curl your toes. Exhale, press your hips back. Downward facing dog. Inhale, softly lower the knees to the earth. Exhale, pull your hips back and rest, child's pose. Inhale, draw yourself slowly to hands and knees. Exhale, lift back, downward facing dog. Inhale, slowly lower the knees. And exhale, rest, child's pose. Inhale, let's come back up. Exhale, downward facing dog. And then slowly walk the feet forward. Take a moment to bend the knees and relax over the legs here. Bend the knees a bit deeper, and with a long spine, inhale, float the arms up to the sky. Exhale, hands to your heart. Good. Let's take our hands to our hips. Take a little step back on our mat. Take your left foot forward, big step forward, right foot scoots back. So warrior one here. Arms reach up to the sky, inhale. Exhale, bring the elbows down to your sides. Inhale, lengthen this left front leg. Exhale, bend the knee and press the hands forward into your lunge. Inhale, lengthen the front leg. Exhale, pressing forward. Inhale, lengthen, draw elbows back. Exhale, press. Inhale. Exhale. One more inhale. Exhale. Arms float up to the sky. Let's hold. And hands down to the hips. Slowly step forward to the front of the mat. Take a big breath in. And let it go. Other side. Stepping back a bit. Right foot steps forward. Left foot steps back. Taking our warrior one position. Inhale, arms up, find length. Exhale, elbows down to the side. Inhale, lengthen your front leg. Exhale, bend into your front knee and press. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Arms float up and hold. Hands down to your hips. Inhale and exhale, stepping forward. Well done. Let's take our time now to come down onto the mat, however you get there. Lengthening the legs out in front of you. Sitting up tall. Inhale. If you have a strap available to lasso up these feet, you may, or simply reaching for the shins or thighs. Keeping a nice long spine, lengthening from the lower back up. Inhale. And on your exhale, leaning forward with a long spine. Feel the breath move through the body. Good. From here, let's our left leg cross over on top of this right thigh. Come behind us and scoot your leg open. No problem. Asking, unattach your ego, how far it goes, and for your body. for this time that we practice. And release. Another side, correct right ankle over. Using the hands behind you for support to sit up nice. Each inhalation, drawing life force and energy into the body. Each exhalation, eliminating and releasing. Good. Go and return to our back where we started. Hugging your knees into your chest, open your arms at the sides and roll the knees over to the left, looking over the right shoulder to twist. Now roll both knees over to the right and look over the left shoulder. Taking a nice big breath here. Slowly come back to center and then lengthen the legs down the mat. Turn the palms to face up and close your eyes to rest. Allowing yourself to do absolutely nothing and all of the benefits of this practice to be absorbed. Relax the feet and the legs, letting them relax into the ground. Relax the hips and the belly, letting them soften with each breath. Relax the chest, soften the shoulders, and let the hands and arms relax. Relax your neck, your throat, your face, your jaw, and let the weight of the head rest into the ground. And you can stay here as long as you'd like. And when you're ready, start to wiggle the fingers and toes. Stretch your arms up over the head and bend your knees, gently rolling over to the side. Slowly press yourself all the way up to seated, taking your time and crossing our legs in appreciation for our practice today, that the benefits of this practice may flow out into our life off of this mat and have a ripple effect into the world, cultivating more peace, more love. Hands to your heart. Inhale. Exhale. The light in me honors and bows to the light in all of you. Namaste.